National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Vance County, southeastern Granville County, northwestern Franklin County until 4:15 p.m. At 3:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Kittrell, or 10 miles south of Henderson, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Henderson, Franklinton, Kittrell, South Henderson, Ingleside, and Gilbert. This includes Interstate 85 between mile markers 211 and 214. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Franklin, Granville, and Vance.